Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. It is July 31st, the last day of July. Before we get started, let's get the CFTC out of the way. This broadcast is for demonstration, educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor, not offering any type of trading advice here today. Take no responsibility for any losses during trading. And if you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sven. Good morning, Rao. I'm in a great mood today. It's Friday, and we're going to give away a free prop account. Free prop account. One of the prerequisites is to participate in the chat roll. So today, let's take a look at the Forex Factory. I saw a report came out at 8:30. It was the employment cost index, quarter over quarter. Coming out at 8:30 a.m. Doesn't show the actual. Let me spread this out. Nope. That was at 8:30. And then we have Chicago PMI, which is a yellow folder. And then 10 a.m. Every Friday, consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Govern ourselves accordingly at 10 a.m. Today's a monumental, tremendous day here at Right Line Trading. We are proud and excited to be releasing Community Intelligence powered by Claude AI. What am I referring to? This beautiful leaderboard is going out to our community today. I always love to emphasize the word today, right? In trading, today's the only day that matters. What happened yesterday? Well, not much we could do about it. What's going to happen tomorrow? Well, that's a little bit out of our control. But today, we're looking to get to our profit goal. Today, we're going to be delivering a significant edge for our community. It's called the RLT Member Leaderboard, community-wide leaderboard. You'll be able, with the click of a mouse, if I want to grab old Mark Miller's CL trend tracker, I can view his settings. And if I own the Heikinashi trend tracker, I'll be able to add this strategy to my portfolio with the click of a mouse. With the click of a mouse, let's see, in real time. We're going to be adding the HACL trend tracker. And you should see it added to my list here. If I click this button, let's give it a try. So we're going to add the HACL trend tracker in real time. And instantly, I get instant access. And now I can enable that strategy right from the Claude dashboard. And I am up and running with Mark Miller's template that's up $3,000 or $4,000. Just that fast and easy. Now, if I don't own the trend tracker, it's not going to work, okay? But community-wide, there's power in numbers. Listen, Mark Miller, let me tell you, he changes the settings and inputs, tries 15 different things, and he does it full time. So he's always got new, fresh ideas. And there's members of our community who are hopefully going to be participating in this as well that have made some adjustments to their settings. Remember Rev Rick? He got that $7,500 payout. And he had his own way of doing it. He said, hey, I took the one-day pass and I changed this and that. And he creatively found his own path to getting that payout. With this community intelligence, you're going to have at your fingertips what's working on somebody else's computer. So we're going to be releasing this today. Good morning, Keith. Good morning, Michael. Thanks for joining me. In fact, today at 1 o'clock, we're going to be doing a live presentation, a demonstration on the Claude dashboard. If anybody would like to join us and you're not part of our mailing list, send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. Good morning, Bob. Whenever I see the name Robert, I think of my father. Yes, there will be a replay, Michael. If you're not on our mailing list and you have not received an invitation, you are cordially invited. Send me a request. Good morning, Ed. I was just thinking about you, Ed. We've got a new member, Ed, in Fort Myers. I'm headed over to see Ed this weekend. Well, next week. Ed is a new member with AI, and his machine's been crushing it. Man almighty. Where did you send it, Rao? Did you send it to support? I saw you wrote that yesterday, and I was looking for it. I didn't see it. Maybe you sent it to info. But I'll find it if you tell me where you sent it. Okay, we're about, oh, the market opened. I'm over here talking about silly things. Let's get ready to make some money. Let's take a look real quick at my best spot. What is my best spot? It's the 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Very little risk. My leapfrog. Let's go to the leapfrog. Steven's up 1,100. The 10 to 1 strategy. Wow. NQ best bot. 10 to 1. Very little risk. Let's let the market settle down. It's 9:32. We're getting a big breakout to the upside here at the market open. Let's go to the MNQ here. What happened here? Oh, there it goes. Okay. So here's our 10 to 1. We're risking 40 ticks to make 400. 40 ticks of risk to make 400. Listen, the ES scalper, I'm going to enable it. This ES scalper, I'm getting the signal to take the scalper. It takes the B signal entry. That means that the RSI line is pinned to the top. I made a cross come out on my chart to signal it. So I'm looking for an ES scalper long. I might be in a position. Nope. Let's make sure we're enabled. That bot should be triggering. ES scalper. Here it is. Take a quick look at the settings on the signal B. Let's extend this up. Ooh, Steven just took over on my NQ best spot. So Steven's at the best spot. And my best spot is risking 3 contracts. The risk is $300. Let's go ahead. Let's give it a shot. Getting a nice move to the upside here at the open. So I'm going to play my Signal B scalper on the ES, and I'm playing my best spot on the MNQ. Trying to get into this long move. I always like to take a look at my 5-minute chart. Well, we got this big, huge candle. Okay, we're in. We are in long. Let's see if we can get some follow through on this to the upside. We're a bit overbought, overextended on the move. Let's see if we can survive the retracement. How deep of a pullback do we get is the question. Gold has been moving down pretty nicely this morning. Trouble, trouble. We need to bounce off the 50 big time. Taking a lot of heat. A lot of heat. Come back up, baby. I'm risking 300 on the trade. Come on, take a bounce. Come back up. Yeah, I was overextended on that move. Didn't time that one very good. Come back up. I'm in trouble on this trade. Yep. Oh. Let's hold off on the scalper. Let's go to the leapfrog. Leapfrog short. Okay, we're in short on the leapfrog. Let's get some follow through the downside here. Come on down. Come on down. Get in my window. There we go. Get some follow through. Push down. Come on down. Come on down. Beautiful trade short. Come on down. We got the leapfrog short here. Break through the VWAP. Through the VWAP. All right. Nice. Just like that. We caught a monster to the downside. Here comes a break of the VWAP. Do we take it again? I missed it. Ah, darn. I'm pretty close to my profit goal. We look to make $250 to $500 a day. A trade. Let's go to the leaderboard. I love this entry, man. I really like that entry. The leapfrog is trading the micros with almost an 80% win rate. The leapfrog trading the micros is really the #1 strategy. It really should be my best bet. Watch this move to the downside. I'm in. I'm in. Come on down. Nice. Keep moving down. Push down. Push down. How did I lose money? I'm going to give it some room. Let's give it some room. Come on down. Take a roll. Take a roll to the downside. Trouble. Ah, unbelievable. Not sure. It's almost like these winners aren't registering. See, we get a break of support. Let's get a break of support here. Come on down. No. Ay, 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 ay. The whipsaw got me. I'm going to take one more entry. Somehow I turned a winning day. Oh, no. Let's give it room with this whipsaw. Come on, push down. There you go. Stevens at 2,700. Back in short. Come on down. Come on down. Push down. Get my window. There we go. Further. Come on. Nice. Back in the green. Big volume. Wow. See if we can get one more trade and get out of this market. It's moving extremely fast. Missed it. Missed it. Froze up. Looking for a break of support here. Okay, we're in short again. A lot of whipsaw. No. Stephen. Oh, the whipsaw got me. No. Market's just flying today. Come on down. I'm going to take a scalper entry. Got in on the scalper. Needed to break support here. Come on. We got to give this baby some room. It's a lot of risk. Push down. Man, is there whipsaw today? Holy smokes. Oh, man. Wow, this thing has got a ton of whipsaw. Very risky today. Come on, push down lower. Trying to break support here. Come on, breakthrough. Breakthrough. Breakthrough there. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. There you go. There you go. Nice. Man, I love this scalper short. I should have stayed in the ES trade. I love that scalper trade short. Oh, I'm back in. Shoot, I didn't mean to be. Darn. I think I'm going to take another scalper trade. Oh. Thought I was in the scalper, but let me see. Yeah, I must be. Yeah, I'm short. I don't know what all these markers are. All right, great job, Ed. Man, I'm taking some heat on this E-mini trade. The market reversed on me now. A little too far overbought, oversold. Come on, crashing down. Come on, let's go. Come down. Wow, this market is really flying. Very risky today. Trying to get this E-mini to run for me just a little bit further down. The NQ is just taking huge retracements. Come on, take one more leg down. Keep on going. Come on. A little further. The sniper. Let's take a look at the sniper. Ah, man almighty. Market's just flying a million miles an hour. Come on down. One more leg down. Wow, look at that 5-minute chart. Holy smokes. It is way, way oversold. It's going to make a retracement. Come on down. One more push. Come on, let's go. I think I need, oh man almighty, I got to get out of this thing. Oh no. Come on down. Take a leg down. Ooh. Oh no. I'm in trouble. Oh man, am I in trouble? I got to get out of it. Let's try to get a leapfrog. Oh, now it came crashing back down. Oh, darn. Today wasn't my day. The market was just moving too fast for me. Now it went long. Oh, wow. I got to stop there. I got to stop right there. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh no. Went the wrong way. Okay, I lost big time. I got to stop there. I'm down $1,000 across all these accounts. I should have stayed in that ES short. Darn. All right. I lost control of it. Lost my discipline. And a fast moving market. Man, and I pay the price. I'm not going to blow these accounts though. Let me make sure everything's disabled. It is. Man almighty, that was fast. Okay, okay, Mike. Mike said when we do the update to make sure to do a backup prior to doing the update. And I'll make sure I record that in the video. Thanks, Mike. Let's take a look at the 5-minute, just to put things into perspective. Wow, that was moving so fast. I think this E-mini is going to drop again. I got news for you. Look at that signal B on the scalper. Man almighty, did I have my chances. But the 5-minute became way oversold. Now it's just starting, maybe, to make a retracement. But market structure-wise, we're set up for a short. The whipsaw on these 8 Unirankos is a little intense. Let's look at it on a 20U. Let's go to the sniper. The sniper is number 1 on my leaderboard at 2,800. Man. I love this E-mini short. Very tempted to take it, let me tell you. Scalper went short. Good morning, Brandon. Yeah, I tell you, man. Oh, right. Thanks, Ed. That new version of Ninja, the 8.18, hold off on doing that 8.18. I'm talking about specifically about the version of Ninja. I'm still on 8.163, but the 8.18, Ed and I had some big challenges. I asked Charles about it. He said, yeah, he already knew about it, actually. Look at the sniper. The sniper's up $3,000 with an 85% win rate. There it goes again. The volatility has my charts messed up. Let's go to 200 bars. Crazy. Man. Let me see where my lag is. Oh, no wonder. My lag is through the roof. You see my lagometer. Let's see if it comes back down. Jeez. Sniper's at 3,600. All right. Great job, Ed. What's wrong with it? The 8.18 version was giving us a lot of error messages. It was disconnecting from the data. We couldn't establish a good connection. Wow, look at that leapfrog trade. Oh my goodness, the E-mini's gone. I'm getting a lot of lag on the E-mini. I need to get the lag under control. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my positions. Surprised to see the ES lagging like that. This thing could take another leg down. There it goes. Okay, the ES is coming back from all that lag. Let's take a look at the community leaderboard. My E-mini's getting a half a second now. Now it's back to normal. Man, this ES short was the way to go. Hindsight's always 20/20, ain't it? Let's look at the leaderboard. Mark has the #1 bot on the ES trend tracker. 2 trades, 6,300. The NQ retirement plan, Sergio, 5 grand. Let's view his settings. I'm going to take his settings. So now I've got his retirement plan. My Steven is at 3,100 and my sniper is at 3,600. Man almighty. Wow. Look at this sell-off. Holy smokes. I think I'm only looking for shorts. I'm going to turn the longs off for now. Here comes another sniper. Now we're getting the reversal. It is going to happen sooner or later. Look how oversold we are. We're like 2 standard deviations from the mean. This huge sell-off. E-mini is going to go lower. Let's take a short on the E-mini. Jeez, look at that 5-minute chart. Incredible. Come on down, E-mini. Come on down. Okay, let me read your question, Mike. For the new community dashboard, will it matter when the strategy is turned on? No, it's going to show anytime it's turned on. It won't matter. You'll be able to see last updated how recent the results are. Ten to 1 just took a trade on the NQ. Good day to go for the 10 to 1, let me tell you. If you can get some wiggle room on it, that's the problem. There's so much whipsaw. You got to give this thing room. If you're joining late, I had a down day. I'm down 900 and change on all my accounts. It's very tempting to try to get it back. Man, I wish I could do it over again with this ES. Look at that ES. The scalper just had a monster day. Let's look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute on the NASDAQ, you could see the sell-off just straight down. Sooner or later, I would imagine there's got to be a retracement, right? On my computer, this is my leaderboard. Sniper's back in. Let's go back to the sniper. It took a long, wow. My sniper is winning 86% of the time. Very tempted to give that one a go. With an 87% win rate. Here we go. We're getting a retracement. Man, when this thing goes, I think it's going to really launch. Mike scared me with the doing a giveaway on YouTube. I read that message you sent me, Mike. Boy, look at this long move. Holy smokes. It's got a long way to retrace, too. The 10 to 1 took it. Let's see if it's in. NQ 10 to 1. It got some wiggle room now. This is risking 400. Excuse me. It's risking 200 to make 2,000. Risking 200 to make 2,000. Keep an eye on my lag. Where's my, here it is. My E-mini's been lagging all morning. And get rid of one of these charts. Here comes the short roll on the E-mini. Leapfrog caught along. There goes the sniper. Man, I was really tempted to take this next sniper trade, but I don't want to blow out these accounts. I can't remember if I have end of day or intraday. There's the sniper, another winner. 87% win rate on the sniper. Now with that new community feature, I don't know, I think those are the out-of-the-box settings though. No, I know you did. I didn't take it that she didn't like the giveaway, but you brought up some good points. Let me bring up, maybe you put the disclaimer that I need. We used to have that disclaimer for the giveaway on YouTube. Let me see if I could find it. If you would, put it in Discord for me, Mike. Must be free to enter. You must provide official rules. A link to YouTube's community guidelines. YouTube is not a sponsor of any giveaway that we do. The only sponsor of those giveaways are the companies that provide the accounts. Here we go. We're getting a reversal. My signal B kicked in on my scalper to the upside now. It takes some guts to take one of these counter trends. Let me keep reading. My best spot is Steven. Getting some lag here. On the E-mini. My E-mini's really lagging today. Steven's back in long. All the risk is off. Needs a little wiggle room. Here we go. Sniper. Oh my goodness. Look at this sniper. The sniper is crushing it on my machine. 81% win rate. There it goes. I'm going to see if we can get a sniper entry. The sniper on my computer has an 80% win rate. Isn't that amazing? So today at 1 o'clock, we're going to do a live presentation. We're doing the release for our members of the community members leaderboard, the community intelligence. And you'll have the ability on the leaderboard to get the settings off of the community's top performing bots with the click of a mouse. Come on up. Come on up. Nice. Sniper did it again. Another winning trade on the sniper. It's up 42.81. After commissions, 42.81. Let me ask you, if you had a choice of winning a free Apex account or a free Lucid account, which one would you choose? Would you rather have a free Lucid account or a free Apex account? The risk to reward ratio, Vasile? Good question. Let's take a look. On the sniper, the risk to reward, well, it's initially has a 200, it's a 1-to-1 ratio initially. However, remember, we have the leapfrog, which gives the trade a potential to run. But we're giving it a lot of room, and I think that's why it's doing really well today. With this whipsaw, man, that whipsaw was just deadly for a while. But with a 200 tick stop loss, you got plenty of room. If we get 50 ticks towards our profit target, we're going to bring our stop to +2. That explains the high win rate. Some of those wins were only 2 ticks, I'm sure. But then if we go 50 ticks from our profit target, which is 200, meaning if price goes to +150, my stop is going to jump up to +100. 50 ticks behind price, and that's the trigger for my leapfrog. Then my leapfrog is going to have an offset of 25 ticks. Here it comes again. Here comes another sniper. It's taking a signal D. That means the candle is engulfing my 15 EMA. If this takes off to the upside now, it could trigger a sniper entry. Let me see if my retirement plan, oh, my scalper is not enabled. My ES scalper became disabled. Let me make sure my copier is off. The best bot is the sniper is back in. Let's see if it breaks through resistance. This is the bot we were just talking about. It has a 200 tick stop and a 200 tick profit target. If price goes to plus 50, my stop goes to plus 2. So we need 50 ticks of profit in order to go to break even plus 2. Then we're in the trade on a runner. Here we go. We're plus 2 on our stop. Now we have a free ride. If we get to 100 plus 150, we lock in 100 ticks of profit. Didn't get there. Rather have the lucid, huh, bud? Okay, let's do a lucid account today then. Let's do a lucid account. Here comes another. Let's see what's in. Leapfrog short. With this volatility, it's a good idea to right-click your chart, go to your data series, load 200 bars and apply it. Because as this session continues to run, there's going to be quite a few Unorenko bars. The only thing I notice is it does this to my bars when I do that. And Sergio told me how to fix this. It's shift. Is it shift? No. Control. No. No. Space. Scalpers in long. I've got some serious lag on my E-mini chart. I'm 15 seconds behind. My E-minis become untradeable. NQ best spots back in. Maybe it's alt. Let me try alt. No. Scalper long. Snipers, excuse me, sniper long. Sponsoring our giveaway today is Lucid. Lucid is sponsoring our giveaway today. We'll have to do a side-by-side comparison, Mike. Here we go. Look at this. Another sniper win. Incredible. I always like to put my profit goal right at resistance. Oh, wow. Look at this sniper trade. Unbelievable. Man, I don't think you could ask for a better bot than that. 80% win rate. The ES scalper's at 100% today. This ES scalper's off to the races. Oh, no. Let's see if we get another pop to the upside here. Come on up. Okay. Break resistance. Break resistance. Sniper's back in. Right into resistance. We need the break. There is some buying pressure. Momentum is headed to the upside. Looking for a break of resistance. Come on, breakthrough. Let's go. Push through. Risky entry, risky entry. Let's see if we can give it another test. Come on back. Breakthrough there. They're trying to break it through resistance. A lot of sellers sitting right there, trying to reverse it. Push it through. Let's go. Retesting it. Break resistance. Let's go. Let's take a leg up. Thanks for sharing that, buddy. Oh, it's a big loser on the sniper. Holy smokes. All right, let's do this. For international clients, everybody can get involved. First person that sends me a WhatsApp to the office phone number, send me a message that says Lucid to WhatsApp. Get a $25,000 Lucid account. WhatsApp to the office phone number. Just send me the message Lucid. You get a $25,000 free Lucid account. Whose phone number starts with 909? Let me ask. You just beat somebody, 909. You've won by a hair. Tess, again? Tess, man, you're on a roll. You got to answer me in WhatsApp. I sent you a question. I see you typing now. You beat somebody by a hair. Okay. All right, Tess, congratulations. That's 2 for you this week. Next week you're off the list. I want to thank everybody for joining me. Congratulations, Tess. And I hope everybody has a blessed weekend. It was a down day for me, but we're going to come back and do it again on Monday, God willing. I hope everybody has a blessed weekend. If you're not on our mailing list and you'd like to attend today's webinar, we're going to do a demonstration on the community member leaderboard. The member leaderboard is going to give us a community-wide look at whose bot is performing the best and give you the ability to share their settings. With the click of a mouse, you'll be able to view and see if they're exactly the same as yours. If there's differences, if it's the same, it'll say you're already using these settings. If there's differences, like on Miller Times Rev Rick, I don't even have this bot. And if I want to add it, I can add it with the click of a mouse. And it will instantly be built on my NinjaTrader 8, and I could start trading it. It's going to be a great tool that's going to give our members a significant edge when it comes to picking which bot to trade. Which bot to trade. If you're not on our mailing list and you'd like to join us, please send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. Support@rightlinetrading.com. And I'll send you a link so you can join us today at 1 o'clock. It's going to be our release this afternoon. We're going to put in Discord. A very common question is, well, how do I get it, right? It's nice you're releasing it, but how do I get it? The way you get it is right in Discord. We're going to have we have a channel for software updates. After my 1 o'clock presentation, I'm going to get with Sergio. We're going to make a video, and we're going to release the links and instructions on how to do the update. The community intelligence is optional, okay? If you don't want to participate, you don't have to. If you choose not to, you won't be able to view anybody's settings or share settings or, be able to use that functionality on the member leaderboard section. You'll have a tab that you can click, and you'll put in your public display name. We don't share your real name. We share what you want to be shown as publicly. We don't share your email address. The only thing we share is your simulated account that's running one of our bots. That's it. We have a full disclaimer that you can read in here if you want to participate on what we share and what we don't share. By agreeing to participate, you'll put in your email address. They'll email you a code. You'll put your code in, and it will log you in and give you the ability to participate in this community leaderboard. I think what we'll do is after we release it, we're overdue for a training for next week. And I want to make sure everybody's on the right page. Everybody is on the same page. And you were able to do the installation. If not, we'll help you. And we're going to do a training session and just go over some of the newer features that we're releasing. Part of this update is we've synchronized your live P&L with your best bots and your Claude Optimizer tab. They're all going to be synced up now. It's also going to include the member leaderboard. So there's quite a few new updates and enhancements that will be included in today's release. I want to say a special thank you to Sergio and Mark. These guys have worked tirelessly to make this happen. And really, your input is very instrumental, very valuable. Please continue to give us suggestions in the Discord chat. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll see you today at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Don't forget, if you're not in our mailing list and you'd like to join us, Send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. We got professional options trader David Wise coming up right behind me, and he's going to be trading the SPY Super System. Have a great weekend, everybody. If I don't talk to you before the end of the day, have a blessed weekend. Look at the ES Scalper. Boy, that was the bot to trade. The ES Scalper had just a phenomenal week. Have a great day, everybody. So long.